Good evening, traders. Welcome back to the channel. This is Vishal, and you're watching the Nifty and Bank Nifty short-term view. Today, what has happened is that momentum which got built up on Friday, it just got continued today. Nifty opened cap up. You can see we have opened almost near 18,588. We spent almost the entire day within the range of 18,588 to 18,641. And this was actually expected that even after a gap up, we could be range bound. And the main reason for that is from this point onwards, almost from sub 18,200 levels, there has been a vertical rally. And do not forget, this is Nifty, not a stock. And generally, Nifty never goes up vertically on the upside. If it goes up, you need to consolidate, probably even come down, retrace, and then go up. So overall trend, if you speak, overall trend is obviously up in the hourly and in the daily time frame charts. You can see that the prices are trading above the dual moving averages. But if you check the RSI in the daily time frame chart is 70, which is perfectly all right. And in the hourly time frame chart, you can see it is also above 70. That is also fine, but slightly you can say overbought. And I wouldn't be surprised that, a little bit of consolidation, a little bit of sideways move, or maybe even a small down move and then an up move continuing on the upside would be probable. And one more reason for that could also be that there has been a gap which has been left unfilled. But I would also like to share that we need to understand that overall trend is going to be up. So if you are a very, very short-term trader, probably an intraday trader, if the market falls, do not make the mistake of shorting Nifty in intraday, because that particular dip could just be for short term, and after that short term dip, market could reverse on the upside. So just be careful about that. Now, if we talk about Bank Nifty, even Bank Nifty continues to remain very strong. And in fact, if you check properly, I would just like to share something with all of you. It has been able to, close above its all-time high, the high which was made on 14 December 2022, has been able to close above that. And what we need to understand is the candle over here. All of you must be thinking that after a very good rally, now we have a negative candle, which is an inverted hammer. I guess nothing matters over here right now until and unless tomorrow we have a big red candle. If something like that happens, then it's a totally different scenario. But this is completely understandable. And the reason for that is, again, in Bank Nifty, if you see from the levels of 43,385, we have a very, very vertical rally. If you check the daily time frame chart, RSI is again near 70. And in fact, if you check in the hourly time frame chart, we had already started trading above 70 in terms of RSI. So that is completely fine. The overall trend will continue to remain up. Little bit of consolidation or profit booking, even if it comes, I guess that particular dip will be bought into, and probably Bank Nifty will continue going on the upside. Now, if you check all of the sectoral indices except IT, mostly all the indices have closed in green. Obviously, pharma was a laggard as it did not perform much. But if you talk of stocks, then I guess one of the stocks which has been extremely outperforming has been Reliance. Now, this stock will continue going on the upside, but there could be some sort of consolidation, some sort of dip, and after that dip, again, this stock is supposed to perform pretty nicely. Only thing is, this particular resistance needed to be taken off. This resistance has been taken off, and we saw a short-term dip, and now probably the prices are continue to going on the upside. One more stock from my side is the PSU Bank, which is SBI. It has given a beautiful breakout today in the shorter term time frame charts. If you check the hourly time frame charts, it has given a very nice breakout on the upside. If the prices sustain above 586, 585 levels in the hourly time frame chart, I assume that this prices will rally by at least 4 to 5% on the upside. So this looks out to be a very good swing trade on the upside. One another stock which I had shared with all of you is Hindustan Unilever. I shared this couple of days back. After sharing, I shared, I guess, on 25th May. After that, it has rallied by just a little bit more than 2%. Currently, it is consolidating. But overall, I guess in next few days, even if it consolidates for a few days, chances are that the stock will continue to go on the upside. Tata Power was also a stock which I had shared with all of you, probably somewhere over here. But that time there was no short-term breakout evident. And now you can see the stock has broken out. Chances are that the breakout will continue on the upside. Yes, consolidations will come in between, but overall momentum continues to be on the upside. And one auto stock which I had shared with all of you was Mahindra and Mahindra. Mahindra and Mahindra probably I'd shared around 1260, 1267. If you remember, probably a few days back, the momentum is pretty nice. The current state of trend is overbought in the stock. The trend is up, but if you can see, this is a high wave candle. High wave candle generally comes when the stock is slightly overbought on the upside. So in case if anyone has participated in this stock, Mahindra and Mahindra, probably it's time to book partial profits and time to trail your stop losses. All right. So I hope today's video has helped you to understand how markets will move in the next few days. If you find this video helpful and educational, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Trade well.